Today we're diving into the world of hydrogen water bottles and how they work. And a hydrogen water bottle may look like a regular water bottle, but it's so much more. It's a on-demand supplement generator designed to enrich your water with molecular hydrogen. Here's how it works. Water, as we know, is made out of hydrogen and oxygen. A hydrogen water bottle uses the process called electrolysis to split these molecules. The Proton Exchange Membrane, or PEM, plays a key role by separating hydrogen from oxygen and allowing the oxygen to be expelled from the bottom of the device, while the hydrogen bubbles through the water. The hydrogen bubbles you see are results of this splitting. The hydrogen is not dissolving into the water, ready for you to drink. Let's look at the main parts of a hydrogen water bottle. The generator base at the bottom, which includes a power button and electrolysis unit, the proton exchange membrane, which separates hydrogen and oxygen and ensures only if hydrogen bubbles through the water, the transparent bottle on top where you can see the hydrogen bubbles forming, and this is where the pressure is increased to a certain amount so that a meaningful amount of hydrogen can be dissolved into the water. And then we have a pressure-sealed cap, which maintains high pressure and has a vent to release excess pressure for safety. Let's see it in action. So first we have to assemble the unit. Make sure to release the membrane protective plug. This is usually on top of the membrane, and you can see all units come with a little bit of water inside to protect the proton exchange membrane from drying. We're gonna screw the bottle on top of the generator, and then we're gonna fill the bottle with water. Ideally, you have to use distilled or purified water because this is what keeps the bottle safe and ensures that it will run for a long time. Anything that has minerals into the water can shorten the device's life. So filling the bottle to the indicated by the manufacturer's line, so that the water doesn't touch the vent on the cap. You can see a little hole on the inside of the cap. This is where the pressure release valve is located, so it should not be submerged into water. So secure the cap so that the pressure inside can increase, and then you press the button. You can see bubbles will start forming in a few seconds, and you can choose 5 or 10-minute cycles for your desired concentration. When the cycle ends, you'd have to unscrew the cap from the top to release the pressure, and then you slowly transfer the water into a glass to drink. We do not drink directly from the bottle to prevent saliva entering inside and contaminating the membrane. And this is how you get hydrogen gas into your body and you benefit from all of its antioxidant properties.